Hi guys, welcome back to my Amazin Kitchen. If you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make my homemade all-purpose marinade. This marinade is so simple yet delicious and versatile. You can use it for practically anything, for your stews, your soups, your grills, you name it. Let's quickly go over the ingredients you would need. So you would need some ginger, petite bell peppers, also known as bakboshito. You would need some garlic, 2 onions, Scotch bonnet pepper or any pepper of your choice, 1 lemon, and some spring onions. And that's it, guys. These are all the ingredients you would need for this fantastic marinade. So over here, I have washed all my ingredients thoroughly. I then chopped up my ginger, my onions, and my spring onions and put everything in my blender in no particular order. I just did so as the spirit led me. I then added my petite bell peppers, my spring onions, then added my Scotch bonnet and squeezed the lemon. I finally added a splash of water, just enough to blend everything together. We want a smooth, thick paste. Now turn on your blender and allow your blender do all the work for you. I blended mine for I think about 2 to 3 minutes, but you can blend as long as your blender would need to create a thick, smooth paste. And that's it, your marinade is done. So I went ahead and poured my marinade into 2 sterilized jars. I will be keeping mine in the fridge and it will last up to about 3 weeks. The lemon we added will act as a preservative. And so if you don't have a lemon, you could use a tablespoon of plain vinegar and it will give you the same effect. In my next video, I will show you how I use this marinade to grill my mackerel, and oh boy, the mackerel was so delicious. I can't wait for you to see that recipe. I really hope you try this simple and yet so delicious marinade because I know you will love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and know that cooking should be fun and exciting. Try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. See you in my next video. Bye.